To customize watch faces on the Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, we can do this on the Apple Watch, but also on iPhone. So first I'm going to show you how you can do that on your Apple Watch. You will have to click and hold the watch face and now click on the edit button. Now as you can see, when we swipe up and down, we can actually change, in this case, clock style. When I'm going to slide into the left side, I can also find some other things like font style, some numerals, style. There's also the style color. In this case, there's no any options available, and I can add some complications by clicking on it. I can go, for example, for the activity. Let's bring this one. And now if I'm going to click on the control button, I'm going to confirm, and I can just select this one. You can also do that, as I said before, on your iPhone by going into the face gallery, or by using the current faces. By clicking here, you can simply, change position of it. So now if you are going to click and hold it, you will change order of the watch faces that are available. And if I'm going to pick the first one like that, I can still customize it on my iPhone. So it's a little bit easier because the screen is bigger. But yeah, if you don't have your iPhone next to you, you can also do that from your iPhone like I show you. And that's pretty much it.